number 21, we have x plus 3 and x minus 4. We're going to be multiplying. And then we have that is greater than x minus 3 and x plus 3. We're first going to distribute. I would like to say you can probably divide those off, but you don't know if x is -3, and that could make it 0. So we can't divide by 0. So we don't know that yet. So we're going to just distribute and then simplify and then see what we get. So x and x will give you x squared, x times -4, -4x. 3 times x, a positive 3x. 3 times -4, -12. Greater than, now this is difference of squares, so I'm just going to square the first term minus square the second term. It's going to give me x squared minus 3 squared is going to be 9. Over here I'm going to combine like terms. X squared minus x minus 12 is greater than x squared minus 9. Now I will subtract x squared from both sides. It's just going to cancel out the x squared part. Okay, so those are going to be gone. And then I have -x minus 12. So to get x by itself, I'm going to add 12 to both sides. That will cancel, bring down -x greater than, this is going to be a positive 3. Got to get rid of the negative, so divide by -1. It's going to give you x, this sign gets flipped, less than -3. All right, so we have x less than -3. Here we want to express it using interval notation, and then we're going to graph it. So interval is kind of like the same that you get on the number line. It's going to be -3 here, and the x is pointing us in that direction. So going to -infinity. So -infinity to -3, both in parentheses. Parentheses, -infinity to -3. And then we want to pick out the number line. I'm going to scroll down. Parentheses, that's on the positive side. This looks like the negative side because it's below 0. So F is going to be the best one here. And then number 22, one of similar nature. We're going to solve this inequality. So we have -2, and then parentheses 4x minus 5 greater than -6. So I'm going to divide by -2 first. That's going to be 1, bring down my 4x minus 5. This sign gets flipped because I divided by a negative. Is less than, divide, and that will give us a positive 3. We're going to add 5 to both sides, so that's going to give us 4x is less than 8. Divide by 4, we get x is less than 2. This time we want to express it in set notation or interval. So this is the set notation. I would just have to add the set symbol x vertical bar such that, and then close the set symbol. So I can look for this, and then we're also going to look for it on the graph. So set notation, x is less than 2. That's the one that I think we need. We don't need brackets. That C and A look like the same numbers, but they have bracket and we don't have bracket because we don't have underline. So A is going to be our set notation or interval, and then the interval notation kind of points me to the number line, same thing. So from negative infinity to positive 2. Negative infinity to positive 2. Looks like D. Positive 2 to negative infinity. That way.